Hello friends, let's discuss the fundamental rights. So the six fundamental rights of the Indian citizen as are declared in the Constitution of India are right to equality and right to freedom, right against exploitation, cultural and educational rights, right to freedom of religion, right to constitutional remedies. Initially there were seven fundamental rights, but right property was later converted into the legal right by the 44th Amendment of the Constitution in 1978. So remember that it is a main point that right to property was later converted into the legal right by the 44th Amendment of the Constitution in 1978. So now let's begin with the discussion of the right to equality. Article 14 to 18, equality before law and equal protection of laws. Article 14, prohibition of discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex and or place of birth. Article 15, equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Article 16, and abolition of untouchability and prohibition on its practice. Article 17, and abolition of title except military and academic. Article 18. Now we move on. Second, right to freedom. Article 19 to 22. So here we go. Protection of six rights regarding freedom of speech, expression, assembly, association, movement, residence, profession. Article 19, and protection of respect of conviction for offense. Article 20, and protection of life and personal liberty. Article 21, very important. And right to elementary education, ये भी very important. Article 21A, and protection against the arrest and detention in certain cases. Article 22. Now we move on. Third, right against the exploitation. Articles 23 and 24. The provision of trafficking in human beings and forced labor. Article 23, and provision of employment of children in the factories, etc. Article 24, right of freedom of religion. Article 25 to 28, freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion. Article 25, and freedom of to manage religious affairs. Article 26, and freedom from payment of taxes for promotion of any religion. Article 27, and freedom from the attending religious instruction or worship in certain education institution. Article 28. Now we move on. 5, cultural and educational right. The protection of language, script and cultural minorities. Article 29, and right of minorities to establish and administer educational institution. Article 30. Sixth one is the right of constitutional remedies. Article 32, right to move to the Supreme Court for the enforcement of the fundamental rights, including the writs, habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari and quo warranto. Article 32. Here we concluded. So thanks friends for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for further updates.